Don't be narrow-minded and think of doing things only for yourself. It'll frustrate you, you'll want something more. Learn to do things for others. Learn to help any which way you can. When you help others, it opens the door for you to be blessed. Do it without batting an eyelid. Keep asking the Almighty to replace our sadness with hope, anxiety with reassurance, depression with happiness, weakness with strength. May we fully rely on Him for everything. Keep our faith firm and unflinching. Mend our brokenness and keep us on the straight path always. The scars we get in life are proof of inner strength. They show us that we're all warriors really. Even if we were gasping for air for a while. We're no longer reaching for those who don't bother to give us their hand. We've learnt that only the Almighty will help us. Only Him. Don't make it your business to gossip about those who are trying hard to improve themselves. Pray for them instead. Motivate and encourage, add a good word but never put them down. Don't be arrogant and think you've got it all good. No one is perfect. We are all a work in progress. Read the signs when the Almighty's telling you to move on. Don't put a question mark where He has put a full stop. It's not in our capacity to fully comprehend all that's going on. Only He does. Our job is to trust Him. But know that He will heal the pain and mend the broken heart. Don't stress over things you can control. Hand it over to the Almighty. There's no need to spend sleepless nights thinking about your problems. It'll get you nowhere. He can easily take care of things if only you'd trust Him. He's the only one who can turn your life around. Make it a habit to pray for others. Remember, the ripple effect from prayer is simply remarkable. When you pray for others, good things come to you. The Almighty is engaged in helping someone as long as He is engaged in helping someone else. So don't be stingy. Start doing it. Hypocrites love to gossip. They love to know what everyone else is doing, their ins and outs. They may even make up gossip if it's not juicy enough. It can be hurtful and upsetting when you are the subject of the untruthful gossip. Confront them peacefully and pray for them. Be careful when you blurt out harsh words and harsh tones. The hurt might pierce deeper than you could ever imagine. You probably think a simple sorry can fix it. But think again. Words can leave scars. Some scars are more permanent than others. It's easy to get discouraged and feel let down when things are rough. Everyone has disappointments, everyone has bad days, but if you're firm in faith and trust the Almighty fully, He will find a way out for you and you wouldn't even remember whatever pain you had to endure.